At Buffalo Butte Ranch, we take aim with a few of our brave soldiers.
Think they're ready?
I think so.
At the start of a classic South Dakota pheasant hunt.
Okay, here you go, Greg. One more round here. There you go.
Ranch owner Marshall Springer leads our troops.
You'll have a great time, great experience with this.
Try not to shoot the hand.
Along with Sam Daly.
This is Brass. Brass is a 100% rookie.
Sam guides here each fall.
So this is Lucky. He's 3 years old.
Sam's a dog trainer from Minnesota that has a personal connection with each one of these veterans.
This is Murphy. He's about a year and a half.
Especially to their
Up
dogs.
the top of the hill.
Sam's a part-time guide at Buffalo Butte Ranch. He also operates a nonprofit organization called Believet, serving soldiers that have given their all.
Believet trains service dogs free of charge for disabled military veterans.
Quinn Wilmarth, Ryan Conrad, Greg Graves, and Scott Lisberger have all passed Sam's year-long training course. After graduation, Sam invites them here
There we got him.
to experience fellowship in the field and the pheasant hunting rush of a lifetime.
Absolutely incredible. The hunt was fun, but it's just the piece here that it's just relaxing. There's nothing going on, not a care in the world.
Marshall's birdie property gives Ryan Conrad and Greg Graves plenty of hope.
I like it. That's perfect.
Neither Ryan nor Greg have ever shot a pheasant.
I'm excited.
There you go.
There you go.
A single shot changes everything. Make that 2 shots.
It was amazing. Absolutely incredible. Right out of the gate.
Today we hunt pheasants,
That was good stuff.
but in all reality, we aim to provide relief from anxiety and post-traumatic stress.
Nicely done, man. Oh, bad boy.
This is more about healing than it is about hunting.
Your heart start beating a little bit? Yeah?
Picture time.
A single photo captures a pheasant hunting first for 4 American heroes. Thing is, Sam Daly's journey looks similar to these wounded soldiers.
He wants to help the veteran when all actuality, he's the real hero in it.
There's a whole lot more to Sam's story than simple pheasant hunting acts of kindness.